A very big hello to my wonderful champions out there. I hope all of my dear children are doing absolutely great, and I also hope you know why I'm here today, right? So KC90 batch 2 is officially going to start today, and if at all there is someone who have missed enrolling to it, make sure you do it as soon as today itself, because from today onwards your classes are going on and I do not want you guys to miss out on any classes out there. And if there are any children who have no idea about what is exactly KC90, so I'll be giving you a brief about that, and depending on what you have got over here, if at all it's suitable for you, make sure you go ahead and be a part of the course as soon as possible, as I told you before. So what is KC90? K here stands for KCET, C for COMEDK, and it's a 90-day crash course. So KCET and COMEDK are certain examination which is there in Karnataka, which aims your entry into the top colleges of Karnataka. So there are other resources as in management quota seats, this and that, all the private things which are there. Apart from that, if at all you talk about the government aspect of things, then it is KCET as well as COMEDK. Okay, and it's a 90-day crash course. Now over here, we will guarantee you the preparation for both of these examinations if at all you are looking forward for KC90 crash course. If at all you just want KCET, you are not worried about COMEDK, then you can go ahead with KCET 90-day crash course also, which is available for rupees 4999. So there's a 500 rupees extra off going on, so you can calculate like that. And my dear children, if at all you are not worried for KCET, rather you want a course for COMEDK, there is COMEDK 90-day crash course with the same pricing. Again, you have to do minus 500 rupees off. That's all. Now, what do you exactly get over here? That's the question. So without knowing about anything, you should not go ahead and take the lead, right? You should know everything about it and then only take an informed decision, because obviously it's a matter of money, right? And also your efforts. So my dear children, over here, suppose it's Monday. On Monday, you will get, I'm just giving a random example. So on a day, you will get one subject. In that one subject, for example, you have chemistry today, okay? And in chemistry, there will be one chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Initially, you will get a one short lecture of this particular chapter, such that your concepts are super clear. Now, you can watch it if at all you want. If at all you do not want, you can not watch it as well. That's your choice given to you. But that video will be available to you so that your concepts are totally clear. Now, just after that, you will be having your PYQ lecture. So, we will be solving the past 10 years previous year questions. Okay, all of them with explanation. You can watch that video as well. Now, there will be DPPs given, daily practice papers given to you, so that you can practice some extra questions as well. Also, there is PYQ quiz, and I'll tell you how it is useful to you guys. So suppose I am Jasmine and I watched all the entire day's video, and now after 3 days I think that I'm forgetting things. Should I be revising, go ahead and watching the complete video? No. Rather, I can try to give the PYQ quiz, because obviously it is containing the same question that the ma'am discussed on the other, right? So I can just do it from my end and see whether I remember things, what are the mistakes that I am making. And also there will be strict timing for you guys, which is why everything would be monitored properly. Okay, now apart from that, suppose you have doubts, what do? There will be live doubt clarification sessions to you as well. It will be on a dedicated day, dedicated time for each subject. So that will be there. You do not have to worry about doubts as well. Also, there will be downloadable PDFs to you, and you will be added in a WhatsApp community, which is exclusively going to be for you guys who have taken or who are a part of this particular course. No outsider can enter this. Okay? And the best part of the story is that you have the access to Abhyas KCET and COMEDK test series, and you do not have to pay any extra amount later on as well. So whatever thing comes up, my dear children, be sure that you do not have to pay the extra amount later on as well. Okay, and the batch 1 children, 92% of the children rated it to be 4.5 plus, which definitely shows that it works. So it works. We put up videos. It's your job also to watch the videos and to give your best. But with our efforts, we can definitely tell that your target would be 1000 rank, within 1000 rank, and you will get it if at all you put the same effort like us. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna do that. And now, suppose you have any doubts which are left. which is still in your head and you want to sort it out, what can be done? So call out to this particular number. This is an exclusive number that is there. If at all you are facing any other difficulty, you can let us know about that as well. And as I said, the classes are going to start from today for batch 2. Make sure you are doing it real quick. Okay? Wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself and God bless all of you. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button if at all you want more of the important videos out there. We are doing a lot of things around PU2 as well. We are as of now working on model question paper. Make sure you're watching them as well because it is super important. Okay, so those of you who are going to give your pre-board examination for PU2, please make sure go through the model question papers, all 3 of them, and then only go for the exam hall, into the exam hall. Okay, so wishing you all the best. Bye bye, take care, lots of love.